Some stories hit different. Behind the fame, the followers, and the flashing cameras, some of South Africa's biggest celebrities have experienced the worst pain a parent can face, losing a child. Today we're talking about 10 South African celebrities who opened up about the heartbreaking loss of their babies or children. This one is emotional. Let's get into it. And number 10, we have Kelly Khumalo. Kelly has been through intense public scrutiny throughout her career. Before welcoming her daughter, she reportedly experienced pregnancy loss, something she has spoken about in interviews when discussing her journey to motherhood. Kelly has always been vocal about pain, resilience, and faith, and motherhood remains a very important part of her life. At number 9, we have Shona Ferguson and Connie Ferguson. Before building their family powerhouse empire, the Fergusons experienced the devastating loss of a child during pregnancy. Connie once opened up about how that loss shaped her faith and strengthened her marriage, but their journey reminds us that, even power couples carry private pain. At number 8, we have Simphiwe Dana. The award-winning singer once shared that she suffered a miscarriage, a deeply personal loss she chose to speak about publicly to help other women feel less alone. Her vulnerability sparked conversations around miscarriage in South Africa, something many families still struggle to talk about openly. And number 7, we have Zoleka Mandela. Zoleka bravely shared one of the most heartbreaking stories. She lost her daughter Uzenani in a tragic car accident in 2010. She later also lost a baby during pregnancy. Zoleka used her pain to advocate for road safety and maternal health, turning grief into purpose. And number 6, we have Brenda Ngoli. Brenda has been open about experiencing miscarriage before, later becoming a mother. She has spoken about the emotional isolation many women face after pregnancy loss, especially in the entertainment industry where pressure never stops. Number 5, we have DJ Tira and Gugu Kati. The couple publicly shared that they experienced pregnancy loss before welcoming their children. Gugu spoke about how difficult it was emotionally, especially dealing with public life while grieving privately. And number 4, we have Mshoza. Before her passing in 2020, Mshoza revealed that she had suffered pregnancy complications and loss earlier in her life. She often spoke about motherhood being one of her greatest blessings after those painful experiences. And number 3, we have Thembisa Mdoda. Thembisa once revealed that she experienced a miscarriage before becoming a mother to twins. She has spoken about how women are often told to move on too quickly after losing pregnancy, something she challenged publicly. And number 2, we have Dineo Ranaka. Dineo has openly discussed suffering pregnancy loss and the emotional toll it took on her. She highlighted how miscarriages affect mental health, something she continued to advocate awareness about. And at number 1, we have Zahara. Before her passing, Zahara revealed she had lost pregnancies in the past. She once spoke about how deeply she desired motherhood and how painful those losses were. Her honesty touches many South African women who had suffered silently. These stories remind us that, celebrities are humans first. Behind every headline is real grief, real trauma, real healing. If you or someone you know has experienced pregnancy or child loss, please know you're not alone. Drop your hearts in the comments to show love and support. This is Gossip Grenade, where we tell it real, but we tell it with heart. See you in the next one.